Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance A220 Groundings and the Rise of Supersonic Flight. What's next for aviation? In 2025, Airbus identified corrosion on some A220 jets, affecting U.S. carriers like Delta and JetBlue, though no widespread groundings occurred as airlines managed it through maintenance. Meanwhile, Boom Supersonic's XB-1 broke the sound barrier in January, testing Boomless Cruise technology to minimize sonic booms. Its Overture airliner, targeting Mach 2 with sustainable fuel, aims for commercial flights within 5 years, backed by orders from United and American Airlines, reviving supersonic travel prospects. A220 corrosion issues. In March 2025, Airbus identified corrosion on a limited population of its A220 passenger jets, affecting some operated by U.S. carriers like Delta, JetBlue, and Breeze Airways. The A220, originally developed as Bombardier's C-Series, is a narrow-body jet seating 100,150 passengers. While the exact number of affected aircraft remains undisclosed, Airbus is investigating, and the issue has not yet led to widespread groundings or cancellations, with airlines maintaining regular maintenance protocols. Impact on operations. Delta reported no scheduled A220 flight disruptions, emphasizing its robust maintenance systems meeting regulatory standards. JetBlue similarly confirmed that its fleet undergoes regular inspections, ensuring safety and reliability. Breeze Airways has not detailed specific impacts, but the lack of reported groundings suggests the corrosion is manageable through existing protocols rather than requiring immediate fleet-wide grounding as seen in past incidents like the Boeing 737 MAX crises. A220 background. Acquired by Airbus from Bombardier in 2018, the A220 is produced in Quebec and Mobile, Alabama. It's marketed for efficiency and flexibility on short to medium-haul routes. However, lingering production cost challenges and now corrosion concerns raise questions about its long-term profitability and reliability, though Airbus has not signaled plans to halt production or ground the fleet entirely. Supersonic revival. Meanwhile, 2025 marks a pivotal year for supersonic flight, with Boom Supersonic leading the charge. Its XB-1 demonstrator achieved a historic milestone on January 28, breaking the sound barrier 3 times without a ground-audible sonic boom during tests over the Mojave Desert. This Boomless Cruise technology leverages atmospheric refraction to deflect shockwaves upward, addressing a key barrier to commercial supersonic travel over land. XB-1 specifications. The XB-1, the world's first independently developed supersonic jet, reached speeds exceeding Mach 1, 761 miles per hour, in its January flight. A precursor to Boom's Overture airliner, it's designed to validate technologies like advanced aerodynamics and structural integrity. The February 10 test, captured in stunning Schlieren photography by NASA, showcased its shockwaves against the sun, reinforcing its quiet supersonic potential. Overture ambitions. Boom's Overture, slated for passenger service within 5 years, aims to fly at Mach 2, twice the speed of current airliners, while using sustainable aviation fuel, SAF. With orders from American Airlines, 20 jets, United Airlines, and Japan Airlines, its order book stands at 130 aircraft. The goal is faster, affordable travel, e.g., 50% faster over land, double over water, without the disruptive sonic booms that grounded Concorde in 2003. Competing supersonic projects. Beyond Boom, Spike Aerospace is developing a quieter 1.6 Mach business jet, targeting a 2030s launch, while NASA and Lockheed Martin's X-59, set for 2025 test flights, aims for a 75 decibel sonic boom at Mach 1.42. China's Comac also unveiled plans for a 1.6 Mach jet, intensifying a global race to revive supersonic travel, spurred by Concorde's retirement after its 2000 crash and noise regulations. Regulatory challenges. Supersonic flight faces hurdles beyond technology. U.S. and European noise regulations, rooted in Concorde-era bans, prohibit overland supersonic travel. Boom's CEO, Blake Scholl, advocates shifting rules from speed limits to noise thresholds, arguing quiet supersonic flight should be permitted. Certification, including engine failure scenarios at high altitudes, remains a multi-billion-dollar challenge for all contenders. Environmental concerns. Critics highlight supersonic flight's climate impact, despite SAF promises. Faster speeds increase fuel burn, potentially clashing with aviation's net zero by 2050 goal. The A220's corrosion woes, while not grounding-related, underscore broader industry pressures to balance efficiency, safety, and sustainability, contrasting with supersonic jets' high energy demands, even as designs like Overture prioritize eco-friendly fuels. Industry implications. The A220's issues, though contained, test Airbus's reputation as it eyes a next-generation single-aisle jet by the 2030s, featuring folding wings and hydrogen potential. Concurrently, supersonic advancements could reshape long-haul travel, cutting transatlantic flights to under 4 hours if regulatory and cost barriers are overcome. Together, these stories reflect aviation's dual focus, fixing today's fleet while dreaming of tomorrow's skies. In summary, the A220's corrosion has not escalated to mass groundings, with airlines managing it operationally as Airbus investigates. Simultaneously, supersonic flight, led by Boom's XB-1 and Overture, signals a transformative leap, though regulatory and environmental hurdles loom large. The A220's challenges highlight maintenance realities, while supersonic progress revives a once-abandoned frontier, blending caution with ambition in 2025's aviation narrative. For the latest, check Airbus's updates on the A220 and Boom Supersonic's flight test announcements. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.